Caravan Help came from an idea that myself and my wife had sitting around the dinner table. We just wanted to offer customers a better experience and a better service than we could currently offer. We've been involved around Caravan since 2010, so around 14 years, and Caravan Help has been running for 4 years. We're country born and bred, so we like to bring that aspect to the city. We offer a mobile service. We come to the customers themselves. You're getting your value for money, and the bonus of doing it at your place is that you can see it. We're right in front of you. We're discussing the issues and the problems along the way, and you can see exactly what we're doing. We're there to fix it. We're here for the long haul, so we'll make sure things are right. And when it comes to quality, we treat every caravan like it's our own. Caravan Help has a wide range of fully qualified technicians, including mechanics, gas fitters, and auto electricians also. We can help with quite a few common problems: solar, minor awning repairs, servicing, springs, brakes, axles, bearings, and that sort of thing. Lithium upgrades, inverters, we do pretty much everything. And we can discuss the job together, we can go through it, and we can end up with the right result that we both want. We're currently servicing the Illawarra area, Southern Highlands and the surrounds. So the best way to contact us is via a phone or our website. We're honest, we're reliable, and we're trying to bring that old-fashioned, we'll help you mate. We're here to help, bringing that back to the service industry.